Alrighty, here is a GEC Union ceiling fan that I'm going to show you in this video. It's a 1200mm 48-inch one. It's quite sunny over here. This is the controller. It runs the original. It's actually broken there, so I can't screw it in, but 5 is low, 1 is high. It is going to wobble because, as you can see, the blades are not straight. I tried to fix that before the video, but it didn't work very well. I have 2 of these, this one, and I have another one to put up as well. I will do both, not in the same video, but different ones. I picked these 2 up at Marketplace for $60 for both. Both work well. One of the regulators is stuffed as it only does high speed on all the speeds, and this one, the screw terminal has been soldered, so I had to put a tiny bit of a terminal block in there to actually join the active input cable. You'll be seeing the lights on probably a lot more than usual because it kind of provides better. Up to speed 3. As you can see, it's a decent fan. If I ever have to replace one in my room, I might put up one of these for it instead. So I'd have to run it just on the 3-speed regulator. So the 5-speed ones are too hard to mount, because then you'd have extra holes in the wall and a lot of effort. Speed 2. Not really that fast. It's just like the NF. It's not really too fast until it gets to the high speed. But then again, it could be the regulator wearing out, not giving the fan as much current as it would like to draw. Because it is a transformer-based controller. I don't know, maybe the fan's just not that fast in general. That ain't that fast. We'll go over here. Oops. The canopy's, top canopy's not up because I don't have the screw for it. It's decent air though, very quiet. Slightly shaky. Now we'll turn it off. I'll turn it off there. Just so when I won't be removing it today, it'll start till tomorrow. Then I'll do the other one. The Winco's still on, so is the Mistral. That's all that's on. Well, the DEMC's getting a bit dusty actually, though I haven't really used it that much in there. The exercise's not connected, in case anyone's wondering. It's just decoration only at this moment. I wonder if the constant breeze is keeping this fan moving. Thanks for watching.